How to fix blue screen error in Windows 11. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix a blue screen error in Windows 11. First, boot into recovery environment. At the login screen, click the power icon, then hover over restart while holding down the left shift key. Keep holding shift until the recovery options appear. If that doesn't work, restart the PC and during boot, repeatedly try keys like F8, F9, F10 or shift until you land on the recovery menu. Once you're there, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then run Startup Repair. If you have a password on your account, you'll need to enter it and then wait for the repair to complete. If the blue screen persists, return to Troubleshoot and select Reset this PC. Choose Keep My Files to preserve your personal data, then pick Local Reinstall and follow the prompts to reset Windows. After the reset finishes, your blue screen issue should be resolved. It's smart to back up anything important before doing major repairs, and if you keep seeing errors, check for failing hardware or outdated drivers. If this helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.